Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Today it's another day, and I'm really happy to bring to you guys on the table moimoi beans. Actually, that's where it's coming from. So stay tuned and God bless you. Okay, this is my beans, which I have washed, taking off the chaff from it, the peel from it. So I'm gonna wash it and blend it for you guys to see how it's gonna come out. Okay, this is the beans in the blender. As you can see, my onion, my bell pepper, ginger, garlic. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, in here is my blended beans. Then I've added it in the bowl where I need to stir, put some ingredients in it. So in here we have my tuna fish, pepper, onion, and salt with yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna stir them together and get the texture I need, amount of texture I need. If I need more it to be watery, and then I put a little bit of water. So, and oil. Actually, my tuna fish came with oil, so that's what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. Okay, this is the texture of it, and these are my eggs, and these are the bags I will use for it, and this is my wild pot. I'll put it into board. Stay tuned. Okay, while I go through these processes, just watch. Put one egg in it. And then tie. You won't tie to the brim, just tie to the topper lid so that when it's boiling, it won't pop out or burst. So this is how you do it. You tie it this way. Let's do the second one. Twice the time, and then one egg in it. You tie. You don't tie to this length, you tie to this length, as you can see this, so it will not burst when it's cooking. So guys, stay tuned and hope for the best. Okay, this is actually the turnout. My pot of moimoi on fire. Just going to add a little of water in it, and the fire should be at sim, not too much fire. And then close the pot. Not going to close it all the way around, just a little bit of opening. And then wait about 40 to 45 minutes. Ingredient for this is my bell pepper, tomatoes, onion, and tomato puree. I add to my hot oil everything I showed you previously. Then fry for a little while. Then add my Knorr seasoning and my black pepper, my oporoko sauce. Woo! This is a moimoi. See, see. Meanwhile, while we're on this, my wife asked me to prepare for her oporoko sauce, so she love it. I'm gonna do it for her. My brother, my sister. My God, giving moi moi vibes, man.